So we are here in, where the hell are we? Valley Motorsports in Northampton. We're going for our first official ride, and I'm gonna try out my new GoPro 7 in white, and I'm gonna explain to you how I got that one for negative $20.10, I think. Got your sticker, Tommy? Oh.
Whatever.
Is he hating on your bike? You want that one? Yeah, that one's too big. That's too big. That one's better.
Hey,
What's going on?
nice day.
What you got there?
Got the inspection sticker ready. Got my bike inspected, ready to go.
Yeah. Where are we going?
Yep. I don't know. I want to eat first.
You want to eat first? We'll find some place to eat.
Yeah. Then we can go anywhere. I need to eat first.
Oh, this is a cutie. I like this one. Is that suede? This looks suede. What the hell is this thing? Really?
Yep. Oh yeah, that's the place on the left and right line. We don't have it. The story is camping and the rooms from on.
That sucks. I wonder who else.
Look at that. That is sick. Thing looks sick. I just want every bike in this place. The exhaust. Look at this, Tommy. Come here. Look, yeah. Look at the back tire on this thing. That's crazy, right? Look at the seat. That's a sick bike. So we are up in Greenfield with Tom and Judy. Got Lou over there. Got Leslie over there. And me. And we're gonna head up to Shelburne Falls, to the Mohawk Trail. Just finished eating at Applebee's. Let's get to work.
Wala mucho siguro hicimos el piso eléctrico. Y llamó que tiene un lugar que tal vez no tiene a los aires y me preguntó, pero...
So this is Shelburne Falls. Cool little town.
Mira, me dejaste algo allí. Ah, pues está bien. Ok. Pues te veo mañana. Sí, dale.
The Bridge of Flowers over there.
So I'm gonna do a job around 10. Well, I'll be done by 2, I think.
There's a traffic jam. Okay, so while everyone has stopped to smell the flowers, I'm going to explain to you guys how I got my GoPro Hero 7 white for negative $20.10. So as you guys know, I love Best Buy. I love all their products. I love their warranty. I love their service department. I just love shopping there. So what I do is I wait for a sale. For instance, when I bought my GoPro 6, it was $379.99 on sale. I purchased the warranty. I waited till this year. The GoPro 7 is currently on sale for $349.99. Then I added the 1 year warranty, which the warranties always change. Sometimes they go up in price. Sometimes they give you longer, more than 1 year warranties for the same price. But needless to say, you get the warranty, you return the product before the warranty is over, upgrade to the newer camera, and you pay the difference. But this time, I was able to get $20.10 back because of the warranties changed and the price changed. So I hope this helped you guys out. Enjoy the rest of the video. So you're gonna sign the book, Lou? It was so quiet in there. You think it was like a funeral or something. That makes me want to pee. That's cool, right?
Alright, well, I'll be back.
Right. Isn't it fucking incredible how perfect the holes are?
There's some holes, babe, that people used to jump into and come out of it.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Cool. Not me, I used to just jump off the building and into the water.
Yeah. Go put your finger in the hole. In the wall. It's leaking.
Wait, go. Which one?
That one. Yeah, you need to do your nails.
I did.
arms are starting to feel burnt. Okay, so that was the town of Shelburne Falls. The cool little town to check out while you're up here on the Mohawk Trail.
Amy?
Yeah.
So you know Judy's nuts dropped.
Why? What happened?
I bought her a bag of nuts and it fell inside the bag.
Oh, nuts dropped.
Her nuts dropped.
Look at that wall of trees.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's almost like really wood.
Yeah, like you say, it's okay to be
In the city, not on the highway.
Yeah. I didn't say anything because I was just like, oh, was he there? Well, the reason why
Really, you like this place?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember first time we came here, like 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Big Side Bar and Grill.
Yes.
Oh yeah. What do they got in here? Got some-
Everything.
Yeah, seafood.
Yeah, some. Not much, just this section right here.
Sounds good. And it's got a piano. It's like a piano bar. So that, my friends, is the Mohawk Trail ride that I usually do with the guys. It's about 149 miles round loop that we do. A lot of great spots to stop. Some good food. Some nice scenery. This fucking guy. Look at this guy. He looks like he just got out of World War. like every man for himself up in this bitch. Yeah.
Which way you guys going in Holyoke?
Huh?
Which way are you going?
Route 5.
I know, but when you get into Holyoke, are you going home?
Yeah.
We're going to Chicopee.
Okay.